So here are some basic commands of the Linux. First, ls. Through ls you will see what is in our present working directory. So before continuing, let me increase the size of text. So I think it is now fine. Now ls through ls will come to know what are the files, like this is a file, and directories or folders in our present working directory. But if you want to know where you are at this moment in your file system, you can type pwd, present working directory. So I am right in root home codecs. But what if you want to change your directory? You can simply type cd and followed by the name of the folder or directory present in present working directory. So in present working directory there are these folders. I just want to go in one of them, which is doc documents. Through tab it will auto complete. So I am in document directory. But if I want to come back from a folder to the previous directory, I'll type cd and lowercase cd dot dot. Now I am again in home codecs directory. So let me clear it with the command clear. Okay, so there are also some commands to make some files. We can make file through touch command, and after touch we'll follow it by any name, and through also extension for reading it. For example, apps.txt, which is already created, but let's see, it has overwritten our previous apps.txt file. Let's read these files. We can read these files without editing, entering into the editing menu through cat command, cat apps.txt. You can see there is something written there, but we can also edit through default editors of the Linux. There is Vim, but we will use nano apps.txt. Now here we can edit our everything that we have written. So we are going to write nothing but apps is the ethical hacker, and I can exit and save through control X. I will type yes and same name apps. Now if I get this apps.txt, you can see this is that thing which I edited there. So again I can clear it, and we learned how to make files. We can also make folders through mkdir command. Mkdir followed by the name of that folder, like dreams. Now if I ls, there is a folder named as dreams. Now it was all about creating. We can also remove files and folders. Files can be removed by simply rm command, and after rm I can type the name of the file abs.txt. It is removed. I can also remove the, now let's see, it is removed. Yes, it is removed. I can remove the folders through dir remove directory. Let's remove our dream directory. It is removed. Now apart from removing, there is also a thing that we usually do in our operating system, which is the work of copying. Okay, we copy this with the command cp. But before copying something, let's make a file, some files, and like apps.txt again, and also other files. We can make multiple files after writing the names and space. You can write multiple files. So other files is uh, linux.txt and .png. Now these files are created. If I say, see there, these order, let's remove our this png file. Now you can see there are lots of files created, two files created. We want to copy one of them into our downloads folder. So I will simply type cp cp the name of the file that is going to be copied. This is apps.txt to the folder. Okay, so where I want to copy in this, the criteria will be that we will specify the full path. But if the folder is in our present working directory, we can simply write dot slash. It means in our present working directory, the folder downloads we are gonna copy there. So if I have a enter, you can see in our downloads folder there is a file fr.txt. Now let's go back and we wanna move a file through mv command. mv abs, not abs right now, linux.txt to our downloads folder. Now you can see there is no file named as linux.txt. It will be in downloads. You can see how it is moved here. Now one thing I want to mention here is that now through rmdir command I cannot remove this download folder. Let's check it out. Downloads, you can see I cannot remove that. The reason behind this that folder consists of some files, which means it is a recursive directory. Recursive means something there is already present there. We can remove it through command rm, same rm hyphen r means recursive, and our directory name. Now you can see there is no error and downloads is also removed. Same is followed by the our cp command. We cannot copy some folder if it is a recursive. For example, let's go to our documents folder. uh, let's touch some files like uh, something etc dot, and there are 3 files created. Now if I wanna copy this download folder, cp copy this download folder documents folder to our pictures folder. Pictures folder, it will not happen just because the reason our downloads folder is recursive. We can type now cp hyphen r, now same dios our documents and our pictures. Now you can see there is no error, and if I type ls there is no there will be you can see there is documents folder. So if you wanna move, copy or remove, copy or do anything which is recursive, you have to add this switch which is hyphen r. So that's all about today, and other things will be mentioned. Other commands, usable commands will be explained in the next video. So that's all.